Hi, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Lemuel Narcisse. I'm from the Philippines. Basically, I'm going to discuss my current situation as an INR practicing in a government hospital located in the province. Basically, my training at SIS was self-supported by my wife. Uh, Philippines and Vietnam are very much neighbors, separated by the South China Sea. Uh, Similar landmass, we are just divided into 7,107 islands. So I am an interventional radiologist as well as a diagnostic radiologist. And the total number of interventional radiologists in the Philippines is only 86. Cath lab facilities available are 62, and most of the cath lab are located in the capital of the Philippines, which is Manila. And I am practicing in a government hospital, which is an 8-hour drive north of Manila. And the Philippine population is an estimated of 115 million. So the government hospital is called Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital and Medical Center. It's a tertiary hospital with a 700-bed capacity. So this is the hospital, which is located north of Manila. As an interventional radiologist, this is my census. Basically, I do biopsy procedures, drainages, and my practice as an INR in the province is basically only a few. Okay? Diagnostic, cerebral angiogram, and few coilings, and sclerotherapy. And in the Ilocos region, in the province, there's an estimated of 5.3 million people, and I'm the only interventional neuroradiologist based in Ilocos Norte. And the total number of INR in the Philippines is only 6 plus 2. One training in Thailand and one training here in Vietnam at Bac Mai. So basically, in the province, IV-RTPA still works. These are the 51st cases of acute ischemic stroke managed clinically by IV-RTPA, and upon discharge, post-treatment, most of the patients their MRS scores are almost mild to moderate. I cannot perform thrombectomy in the province because our brain attack team does not have a neurosurgeon to complement my practice in the province. So what do? I bring my patients here, drive 6 hours going down to treat patients. So this is an example. I have a 56-year-old female with a ruptured aneurysm. So initial CT scan was done at the province, and it took them almost 14 days to have the diagnostic cerebral angiogram done, which I did in the province. So they decided to have the treatment and bring the patient, drive 6 hours going down near Manila. So after 4 days, I just did a simple coiling, traditional coils by the Koreans, and transferred back the patient to the government hospital, had the CT scan there, and the patient is doing okay. So that's my challenge as an INR. My sources are limited, but improving stroke care in the Philippines We are expecting more government support in the future. We have been standardizing clinical practice guidelines for the management of stroke, and we are setting up stroke registries. So we have a census on how to improve stroke care in our country. So this is the cath lab at the government hospital. We are doing locally some research on improving stroke awareness among patients, among the families, and among the healthcare professionals. And I still need an interventional neuroradiologist to be a part of my team. That's why I came here to also present that we could collaborate internationally. And basically, that ends my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. Any